The Drunken Beetle. Once, a beetle saw a pot of beer. Droplets of beer were scattered everywhere. The beetle enjoyed licking the drops. He was completely drunk by then. Then he crawled to the riverbank. By mistake, he fell on a dung heap. At that very moment, an elephant came to the river to drink water. Seeing the drunken beetle covered with dung, the elephant lifted his trunk in disgust and backed away. When the beetle saw this, he thought, "That elephant is afraid of me. See how he backs off. I will fight him." So he challenged the elephant to a fight. The elephant ignored him. But the beetle started insulting the elephant. He shouted, "Hey you coward! Are you afraid of fighting me? I know I can defeat you easily." The elephant got very angry. He dropped some more dung on the beetle and went away laughing. The Wise Crab and the Crane. Once, it did not rain for a long time. A pond where many fish and a crab lived had very little water left. All the fish became worried. They held a meeting. One wise fish said, "We need to move to another place where there is plenty of water." A crane, who was hearing all this, said, "I know of a pond full of water. I can take you there." No one trusted the crane. So the wise fish went with him to see the pond. He was delighted to see so much water and told everyone about it. It was decided that the crane would take the fish to the new pond. Every day, the crane took one fish. But alas, he ate the fish on the way. Finally, only the crab was left. As the crab was going with the crane, he saw many fish bones scattered on the way. The clever crab realized what the crane had done. He immediately clutched the crab's neck with his claws and killed him. The Snake Charmer and the Monkey. Once, a snake charmer lived in a small village. He owned a few snakes and a monkey. He traveled across the villages and made these animals perform various tricks to earn his living. But the snake charmer was very cruel to his pets. He would never give them enough to eat and often beat them. One day, the snake charmer beat his monkey badly for no reason. The monkey ran away and did not come back. The snake charmer continued to hold the shows. People did not like his show now. He was not able to earn much. He understood that people liked his show because of the monkey. The snake charmer searched for the monkey everywhere and found him sitting on a tree. he said with teary eyes. My dear monkey, I missed you. You have come here because people don't like your show now. That is why you miss me. The monkey replied and vanished. The snake charmer realized his mistake and became kind to his pets. The miser. Once there was a Brahmin. He was a great miser. He had a son whom he loved very much. When the son turned 16, he got very sick. The father, being a miser, did not send for a physician. He treated the boy himself. But the boy's condition got worse. Now, the miser feared that people would come to see his son and also see his wealth. So he placed his son in the courtyard for people to see him. A great sage came to see the son. He gave many sermons to the son. After some days, the son passed away. The miser mourned for his son's loss. He used to go to the funeral ground every day and weep for his son. God was watching all this. He came down and spoke to the miser. He said, "Why do you mourn for your son? It is because of your miserliness that you lost him." The miser realized his mistake and became very generous after that.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.